Countryside all day. What go on, people? Just not too long ago, I looked upon a video. Well, not gonna lie to you, touched me to the heart, touched me to the core. And I'm gonna play a part of it for you to see why it touched me the way it touched me. I really wanna listen to the video and just make it sink in a little bit. Just wanna listen to it and make it sink in a little bit, yeah? And the video is surrounding a person from a mercenary group called Blackwater. They was responsible for destabilizing the Middle East and many parts of Africa and South America, and even played roles in destabilizing certain countries in Jamaica. I don't want to just listen to what all these people look at us. I want to look upon how they think about.
In Europe, in the United States, it ultimately comes down to a contest of what is governance. Who is governed? Which countries are governed well? And if so many of these countries around the world are incapable of governing themselves, then it's time for us to just put the imperial hat back on to say, we're going to govern those countries if you're incapable of governing yourselves, because enough is enough. We're done being invaded.
Because our own national security risk is at stake.
Exactly.
National security interests are at stake.
You can say that about pretty much all of Africa. They're incapable of governing themselves and benefiting their citizens because the governments there are all about looting and pillaging and lining their pockets and going shopping in Paris instead of actually making their country better.
People on the left are going to watch this. They're going to say, wait a minute, Eric Prince is talking about being a colonialist again.
Absolutely. Yes. Enough.
All right. From watching the video, you see how them people are look upon, brethren? Them not no respect, no love. Them not no value for we. What the man said is very hurtful, and you know why it hurt me so much? It's because it's so true. That's why it hurt me so much. It's so true. These people talk up like them can just walk in our community, walk in our countries, and just basically do whatever them want. They can. And we can't do a damn thing about it. If they want to come in and grab one mother and grab one mother with sister them, with auntie them, with daughters them, and take them, rape them, and do, we can't do nothing to protect them. They want to put we pan the shop, the beating stick again, or a shopping block for sell we have. We can't do a damn thing about it. That's the sad truth about it. That's why it hurt me so much, because when I think about it, I say, none of the country them we mentioned is ours, really. Even though we have black leaders, they're not for us. They was put in there by these same people. The United States, Britain, France, and many more other European countries. These leaders are not for us, and they haven't been from us from day one. These very same leaders will sell us out, hand us over on a silver platter, and don't give a damn, because they were never for us from the beginning. You can't imagine these people talk about immigrants are flood and take over them country, when even immigrants are them allowed immigrants to come in, because the immigrants actually help them. Them know that them can't pay back enough of them citizens for the promise. You work for a certain period of time, we'll give you a pension. Them know they can't do it. But when you bring in somebody ready for work and illegal, it only can work if it's illegal. For coming and work and them don't get certain benefits. So those benefits that they don't get go back to the citizens of that particular country. They know these things. And yet and him know it too. But him want to come excite those people who don't know it, probably to support what him want to do. And if him as a regular businessman, I think them way, can you imagine how elected officials are thinking? Are people higher up the food chain than even him? The answer is simple, people. The answer is simple. We can organize ourselves, our resources, and fend for ourselves so we can choose who we want to be elected officials. Every country in the world is the businessmen and businesswomen create political pacts. Them call them C-pacts in the United States and some other local pacts. And at them decide to choose who them are going to back in terms of politics, because them going to push their agenda. We can do the very same thing. it's just so sad that these things are so transparent in our face. They are so real in our face, and we still refuse to do certain things about it, and we have no excuse. No excuse. If Africans in the Caribbean, Africans in America, Africans in Africa, anywhere in the diaspora, decide that we're going to put our resources together and make some real changes in who govern us, the businesses that we create and run and own on ourselves, there is no stopping us, and them know it too. And they will go our way. They will do anything in their power to do it. But if we decide to that anything them try, we still not stop our country, they cannot stop us. And they know it. You know, so we overcome everything from slavery except unite. We haven't figured out how to unite. I've heard people make jokes about it, like them ask God if God can't give them an answer, because they're not supposed to get in heaven now, but if God can't give them an answer for this problem, them go to hell or whatever, and God couldn't give them the answer. Meaning, what will allow black people to come together? God couldn't give them an answer, so them going to heaven, even though they're supposed to go to hell. But it was a joke. Man, the more we think about the thing, it's just hurtful, man. It's just hurtful. Nothing just what them I said, but even how we are move as a people. Them I play chess and we not play nothing. We not even play checkers. We not do nothing. We just sit down like say everything good. Ready to be picked up again and dropped off anywhere they want to drop way off. Every day these people get up and them do something to advance themselves. The other day, 6 billion Nigerians dead in a plane crash when them not go to the Super Bowl last week. You don't hear about it? Who cares? I some black, even though them are black billionaires, them dead in one helicopter in California. There. Who gives a damn? Don't nobody care. Them come down and rape off for pit them, kill off for pit them. In the same thing on them big country, they like them big economical country like America, England. Them. Who cares? Are there some black people? Who cares? Who care about them? They don't even care about them. Some of them might bleach off them skin, they might kill off each other like fly over some local street corner or scamming money or whatever the case may be. Who cares? If we don't care about ourselves, how do we expect anybody else to care about us? It's not going to happen. It's illogical. It's not going to happen. People may always talk about tokenization and the DAO. The DAO makes everything transparent. Tokenization is going to be a technology where them use to do things more efficiently, more easily. And once them do that, this is going to take another avenue off the table for us to use to generate a certain amount of income. DAO just make everything transparent. You can control any amount of money you want to donate or give towards any cause. You know, a lot of big companies are doing these things down, but we seem like we don't want to take advantage of nothing. You know, maybe we need to just get taken over again. Maybe we need to get put back on a plantation or make them people that come in our country because we are going like we can't do it. We're going like we don't want to do it. Maybe that needs to happen. You know what I mean? Boy, I don't even know where to start really. I don't even know where to really touch for kind of ignite sitting in other people like we ignite in me. You know? Me did once hear a story about a tree, a bamboo tree in China. And the tree, and it came from, the story came from a motivational speaker called Les Brown. And in this story, Les Brown spoke about the tree. You have to water this tree every day for 5 years. If you miss one day, the tree dies. The average person will stop watering that tree. Because I'm going to say, well, man, I water this tree after. I'm going to say, that's not that tree I grow. But if the person or the individual have the discipline to continue watering that tree, you see, after 5 years, that tree sprouts. And within 6 weeks of that tree sprouting, it will grow to 9 feet tall, which is very amazing. That's a very short period of time for a tree to grow 9 feet after it's sprouted. But if you know the work that was put in, which is the 5 years that nothing showed, no signs I showed, that person who put that work in won't be amazed behind that. Because he or she knows the work that was put in. But most people don't know the work that was put in for certain things. And the reason I use this analogy is because we have to start now to put in the work. We may not see the results in the first year, 2 or 3 years or whatever. But we put in the work now, it will be a fruit. It will. And we have to water it every day. I don't care if I just spread the word. I don't care whatever it may be. We have to do it. This is the way we have to water what we are planned to do. We need some serious people on board. Because the people them who are planned for them serious than you can ever imagine. And I don't see no more Malcolm X. I don't see no more Martin Luther King. I don't see no more Garvey and them type of man there. I don't see them. Everybody else seem like a joke. Even the one of my time, they not make no major move. Because the majority of people don't care no more. People, we have to make some serious moves and some serious changes. Because things not going to get no better in the condition that we're in. And if we want to see our future generation live in our place, in our competitive place, we need to make some changes now.